Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got another unbagging for you. So, what did I get this time? Well, it's a 30 by 40, and I gave $4.98 for it. So let's see, what is it? Get into it. It is poured glue. It is round. Or, well, the drills are round. Alright. Ta-da! More gnomes. Alright, and it says, be mine. So this is a Valentine gnome. So I have 4th of July. I have an Easter one. I have Christmas ones. I have St. Patrick's Day. And now I have Valentine's Day. So now I need a Halloween one. So I'm going to be on the lookout, y'all. So, has anybody done this one? Have y'all seen this? I think it's just sweet. I think it's very cute. And it's got the girl, because most of the gnomes are men, but it has a girl gnome. So, sorry, I had to pause. I was getting a phone call. Alright, so, anyway, this has got 34 colors in it. And it is numbers and letters and some symbols. And it does have the DMCs all charted. So, we have the schematic on the top right. No, top left, bottom right. Let me get it right here. Alright, so we get 2 pins, one with the multi-placer, a scrunchie, and a green boat, a thing of wax, and some baggies. Alright, so let's look at these drills. Alright. Okay, so let's see. The canvas number is on the bags. And it's the same as what's on the top. Alright. Sorry about the noise. Alright, so we're just going to run through these. So we're going to have a lot of pinks and reds. There's some greens. Very cute, very pretty colors. Some orange. Some more reds and pinks, which is expected because it is a Valentine's canvas. We got some grays and some black, some more red and gray, some more pinks, and yeah, different shades of pink. Okay, so let's look at this canvas. I'm going to bring you down. Alright, so, look, that is checkerboard. I just realized that. The background looks like, what is that called? Gingham, I think. So, it looks pretty good. I am surprised that there are as many colors in this canvas as there is, because it is such a small canvas. But it does look pretty clear. I can even read Be Mine. And y'all know, I've done told you, I try to stay clear of anything that has words and a lot of detail if it's a small canvas. But I can read that, and I thought it was cute, and I needed it. So, what did I say? $4.98 is what I gave for this canvas. And I don't think that was bad at all. So, yeah, 34 colors in this. And let's see. Very sticky. So have y'all seen this one? I know you have. If you've looked at anything canvas diamond paintings on Amazon, I know y'all have seen this. So, but I just love it. I just think it's so cute. Especially with it having the girl. Because you just don't ever hardly see the girl gnomes. So, alright. Well, I will leave a link in my description box if it is still available. And a link for my Etsy shop. And I hope that everybody is having a great day. And leave me a comment and let me know what you think about this one. And what else you would like to see. If I can, I will. But, alright, y'all. Until my next video, I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.